Today is an all-star type of shave. Stay tuned for a very special golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat, and today is an all-star type of shave. I'm using my Never Alone 5 brush handle with a new knot in store. It's called the Regal Knot from TRC. I'm using my beautiful Never Alone 5 Carve Aylesworth Love Child of a Razor with the People's Tatra Platinum blade. It's the darling of the wet shaving community. I'm also using the Never Alone 5 soap, Splash, and Serum. And of course my bougie sprayer. Oh, and my beautiful Spot Prints 3D bowl. You see how everything's getting color coordinated? Oh man. This is like a really special shave to me. Because I truly support mental health. Especially for men. Because we're the last ones to get flowers. And when we do get flowers, I think it's 80% of the time, it's in our funeral. And we gotta end that. Because, like, who doesn't want to get a nice little bouquet or a nice little flower just to say, thank you, you're special. Hear me rambling on. Oh my God, this Regal Knot is heavenly. It's so soft, but it has a backbone at the same time. It's like it's a multi-dimensional brush. Oh man, let me get on to the shave. So we're going to talk about self-care. Not only physical, but mental and spiritual. Oh my God, this is a heavenly shave. I'm so glad I'm doing it. God. You know, you're not weak when you ask for help. Being able to ask for help and being humble is the strongest thing you could do, especially for men. We need other men to step up and do that, to show and to lead a path for that. Oh man, I'm just getting lost in this shave. I'm all discombobulated. Oh man, this knot is beautiful. The TRC Regal Knot. This beautiful Never Alone 5 products. I am so honored being a part of this family. It's a community, but it's more of a family for me. It helped me to say I need help. I was going to therapy, but still, I was just very angry, just getting out spurts of anger. And when I found this family, I like to say, it humbled me. People actually want to help you and not destroy you. That's like, it's like you found a dog in the street that was beaten all their lives, and when they get one little contact with love, they think it's hate. That was me. God, this is a good shaver. Beautiful lineup. I say products in this wet shaving community are great, but the people who make them, the people who buy them are even greater. They're the reason why this is the greatest community you could be a part of. And products like this is a representation of like the Avengers. Everyone comes together for a great cause. Oh man, I'm already waiting for Never Alone 6. I could wondering what products, what I think of what products, but then I think, who are the people making these products and how did they come up with these great ideas to support great causes? Oh my God. Especially for men, we need to talk more. We need to open up more. We need to get rid of a lot of stigmas and chains that society puts on us. Oh my God, this brush knot is beautiful. Regal, oh my God, Regal Knot, get it. And if you have a chance to get any type of Never Alone 5 or any type of Never Alone period, get it. Oh man, I just love this. Me so loving. Me and my silly voice talking about a serious thing. Oh man. I could do this all day. The application. Oh, and the splaying. It's like, it could be so soft, but it has a backbone. It's like contradicting itself. It's like from a multiverse. Well, who created these? UFOs? People from the future? Multidimensional? Like, I'm rambling on like a fool. Okay, let's get serious. Sorry, I gotta rinse my hand. BBS. You know, you can have many razors or many brushes or many soaps, but you only have one mental health in you, and you gotta take care of it. God, beautiful. I don't know if you hear my neighbor playing their horn. I got very talented neighbors. Oh man, I am so happy I broke this out. I feel so much better in my spirit inside me. I don't know about you, but when I use certain products or things, I get a spiritual and emotional attachment to it. And I feel the love that was being made, especially this Never Alone 5. I feel the love and the support of many people. They may not be talking to me now, but I feel everybody I had contact or about to have contact in this wet shaving community that I call my family, I feel the connection. Like we're part of like the Borg. Not the bad Borg from Star Trek. There were some good Borgs, but like, you know, not to be assimilated, but to be accepted. I don't know if I'm making sense. I find out the best things I say when I don't think. I just go with my flow. I'm not a thinker, I'm a doer. Oh, man. Ooh, I can't wait to use the splash. Love the splash. Ooh, I'm being so generous. Oh, man. I'm going to use this beautiful serum. Shake it up. A lot of artisans from different artisans came together to form this Avengers of the product to support mental health, especially for men. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video? Thank you so much. Let me go over my lineup. Today I used in the All-Stars shave, Never Alone 5 soap. Put the cap on, Jason. Never Alone 5 splash. Never Alone 5 serum. Beautiful Never Alone 5 Carve Aylesworth hybrid razor. Aluminum. A beautiful Tatra Platinum, the People's Blade. Spot Prints 3D bowl. My beautiful bougie sprayer. And of course, this beautiful Never Alone handle, which I messed up with too much lather, and the beautiful Regal Knot. Wow, if you have time at 9 a.m. Eastern time zone, go on Instagram. Go catch 4 great people on the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. Talk about wet shaving, entertaining the folks out there and people asking questions. And for all your wet shaving needs, go to therazorcompany.com. And remember, you are never alone. You are special, and don't give up on yourself, because I didn't give up on you. Thank you, and I love you.